Hello everyone, Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks. You join me today in Bantry Bay, Cape Town. This is a video overview of an installation that we carried out in 2019 where we installed all of the Bang & Olufsen network and Wi-Fi equipment in this apartment. In the main living room we have this Beosound 3200 CD player. We sourced this CD player for our client as well as a MasterLink NL/ML interface box that allows the CD player to play its sound over the rest of the MasterLink system in this house, being the television in the study and the television in the master bedroom. This also enables us to be able to play back the music on the Beosound 2 audio system in this room. This is the study and the main viewing environment for our client. And as such, he wanted to ensure that the television was able to give him the best viewing experience possible. This is the reason why the Beovision Avant 55-inch television was chosen, and it was placed on this console with a motorized table stand. The motorized table stand has a beautiful mechanism that reveals this television and prepares you for watching the TV. To add to the audio playback of this installation, a pair of Beolab 18 floor-standing hi-fi speakers was chosen. These speakers are connected wirelessly to the television so that hi-fi playback can be achieved. Of course, this includes the CD player that's in the main living area. Bang & Olufsen have included what they call a PUC controller, peripheral unit controller. This is any device that is not a direct Bang & Olufsen product. In this instance, the DSTV decoder and the Apple TV are the peripheral units that are being controlled in this room. The Bang & Olufsen television is able to send out the necessary infrared commands to those devices so that only a single Bang & Olufsen remote control is required in this room, making this basically a universal remote control system, having only a single high-quality remote control to control this room. So all functions are taken care of from the Bang & Olufsen remote control, from switching the television on to controlling the different channels on the DSTV, volume, Apple TV, etc. And once finished, you can simply switch off the room from one single button. To make use of this peripheral unit controller that Bang & Olufsen have integrated into their TV, Bang & Olufsen have made an enclosure in the back of this Beovision Avant television for an Apple TV to be placed. This means that the local device is the Apple TV, enabling full HDR 4K video from the Apple TV into the television. The DSTV decoder also has a HDMI receiver which is tucked into the back of this television, and the DSTV decoders are located in a central equipment rack that's external to this room, meaning that no additional hardware needs to be placed in this room to achieve success with this installation. In the master bedroom, a Beovision Horizon television has been installed onto a pull-and-turn wall bracket so that it can be angled to the bedroom or to a seating area on the right-hand side of the room. Once again, like the study, the TV has a local Apple TV for any video playback, as well as an HDMI receiver from the DSTV decoder, which is tucked away in a cupboard. Making the entire room easy to operate is the simple single Bang & Olufsen remote control. I hope that you've enjoyed this video overview of this Bang & Olufsen installation that we completed here in Cape Town. If you have a Bang & Olufsen installation requirement or would like to purchase some Bang & Olufsen equipment, get in contact. I'd be more than happy to assist.